Hello kids, how are you? So welcome back from the break. Yes? So today I, Unnati, your EVS teacher is here with a new video with a new chapter of EVS. So the chapter is chapter number 9, the plants in the neighborhood. So students, we have already studied about the plants in the last chapter. Yes? So, in this chapter, we will learn about the plants in our neighborhood. Like, what are the plants, what are the different trees that we can see in our neighborhood. So, first of all, tell me, what is the need of growing plants or the trees? Why we grow the plants? Why we grow the trees? Why everyone says that we should grow more and more trees and we should not cut the trees? What is the reason behind it? The reason is trees or the plants, they make the air fresh and cool. They give us oxygen. They make our environment beautiful, isn't so? We see so much greenery all around, yes? So from where we get these greenery? From the plants and the trees that we grow in our to make our environment more beautiful. We should grow more and more trees and we should take care of them properly. Now the question again arises that who take care of the trees in the neighborhood? Who are the people who take care of all the trees that we see around our neighborhood? There are many people who take care of the plants or the trees in our neighborhood. So, if I talk about our homes, the plants or the trees that we have at our homes, who take care of them? A gardener or we the people take care of those plants. The crops that are grown on the farms or the fields, who take care of them? The farmers take care of the crops that are grown on the fields and the farms. Now, if we talk about the plants or the trees that we see when we go out from our house, that is the trees or the plants along the roadside, who take care of them? The municipal corporation is responsible for planting saplings and bushes along the roads. They water and care for these plants. Trees that are planted on highways are numbered and cannot be cut by anyone. The trees in the forest are looked after by the forest department. Next topic comes that what are the common trees that we see in our neighborhood? Like when we move out, we see so many trees. So what are the common trees that we can find easily in our neighborhood? The first one is neem tree. It is the most common tree that we can see in our neighborhood and is very useful. It helps in purifying blood. It's a stem called the datun that are chewed by the villagers to clean their teeth. It is also used to make medicine, soaps, etc. Next comes the peepal tree. It is also the most common tree that we can see easily in our neighborhood, especially near the temples. Some people also worship this tree and its leaves are used in leaf motifs. The next is the banyan tree. As you all know that the banyan tree is one of the biggest tree and it has aerial roots and it is a home to many animals like birds and squirrels. Then comes kikar tree. This tree grows best in hot deserts. Its leaves are eaten by goat and sheep. And also the wood of this tree is used to make the wheels of bullock carts. The second last tree is the bilwa tree. It is a thorny tree with many branches commonly called wood apple. The fruit of this tree is called bel, which are used to make sharbat. The flowers and leaves of this tree are offered to Lord Shiva. The last is the tamarind tree, or we can say in Hindi the imli. Its fruit is sour in taste and is used in various food preparations. Like when we make green chutney, we use imli, right? So these are some of the common trees that we can find in our neighborhood. Now the next topic comes, do wild plants have medicinal value? Now the question arises is, what do you mean by the wild plants? Wild plants are the plants that grow in the natural surroundings but are not looked after by the people. These plants help in many ways. The first one is peepali. The peepali gives relief from stomach problem. Amalki or the amla, it builds immunity and stamina. Bhringraj is good for the liver, and haritki fruit is used to cure many diseases like obesity, indigestion, etc. Now read the chapter very properly and see what all things that I have explained in the video. Then write the question answers in your notebook with a beautiful handwriting. I'll be waiting for your work. Okay? Bye bye. We'll meet you next time.